Evie.
So I've already got, I set up 9 tables.
Okay, turn off the camera a minute. I gotta get
Yeah, well, I did it yesterday. Still like 15 minutes. I set up 9 tables with about 6 chairs each. So we're set up for 50 to 60. That'll be fine. So that should be fine. And the only thing I don't really have ready is just beverages, and then as far as cups, I'll go up to the building. We've got a bunch of cups.
Funny.
I was probably just going to use the ones that were in the kitchen, but okay, I can easily go to the Peterson and just grab a package of them.
Whoa.
Yeah, just mainly coffee and tea. I'll make sure there's napkins and little plates and cups. So it's a pretty casual affair. I'm the something blue, replied Thomas. Now Percy, said his driver, Mrs. Kimley's chosen you to be her special guest. When the bride and groom left the church for the party, Sir Topham had a everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present the good luck package. Something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. All found by Percy and his crew. The engines whistled and everyone cheered. Thank you, Thomas, and thank you, Percy, said the bride. It's the best good luck package ever. And she kissed Percy. Thomas laughed as Percy blushed bright red.
Now what? Oh, cute.
Just sit here.
Oh, that's adorable.